this video, we will learn how we can change the distribution type from the right side, right panel. You can see before running the risk analysis. Okay, so let me show you here the distribution type. You can see still we have here the normal. Okay, so let me show you here. You can see normal. So now let's choose the beta. Okay, you can see I have changed the distribution normal to beta. Now click on the run analysis, click on yes, and then okay. So you can change here the preferred data. Okay, but I will have the day only. Click on okay. Okay, let me show you. I have just collapsed. Okay, you can see here. So I will click on graph early finish histogram to see the duration distribution. Now you can see here the results has been appeared in a histogram, in a graphical. You can see here. Now let's take an overview of the graphical report. So first you can see on the top, you can see here that is the project name. Then 1000 simulation performed on 22nd Feb 2025. So histogram you can see of the early finish for the project, that is the construction project. Mean we have here the 6th October. You can see 6th October 8 a.m. So the expected completion date. Okay, you can see. Then standard deviation you can see we have here the 2 days. So it indicating how spread out the finish dates are. Okay, so next you can see deterministic value. Deterministic value is showing us the actually this is the based on the CPM estimation. You must understand about it. So you can see we have here October 3rd 2025 5 p.m. that we have the 50% chances. Okay, so that we have 50% chances that will be completed on the 3rd October. Okay, so this means that without risk adjustment, the CPM schedule estimate the project completion on October 3rd, 2025. But based on the uncertainty or risk, and the actual finish date is likely to be later. Okay, so now if you scroll down you can see here the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so uh, x-axis the project completion date from the September 29 uh, to the 14 October. It will be 14 October. Actually here you can see is here is the 14 October. So y-axis is a percentage of its frequency of the simulation. Okay, so simulation results for the each date. Then bars indicates the probability of the finish on the specific dates. Okay, you can see here the cumulative. Here is the cumulative curve. Blue line shows the cumulative probability of the completion by each date. Okay, so now let's take an overview. The probability of the completion by the specific dates. So here you can see 20%. You can see we have the chances that it will be completed on the 2nd October 2025. And next we have the 40% chances that this project will be you can say completed on 3rd October 2025. Then 60% on the 6th October. Then 80% chances we have on the 7 October. Then 100 you can see we have the you can say the probability that it will be completed on the 15 October. Okay, it will be complete by 100%. So inside when we talk about the inside, so there are 50% chances you can say that it will be completed on the 3rd October according to the deterministic date. Okay, so if you want a safe deadline with the 80% confidence, so plan for October 7. Clear? So the worst case scenario, almost 100% confidence suggested the completion by the 14 October, you can say, or the 15 October. Clear? So this was, you can say, this was the simple overview for this a graphical report after run the risk analysis. Okay, so this was the histogram for the early finish for the project. Okay, so I hope everything is clear related to this report, graphical report. So actually, let me add one thing more here. The deterministic, you can say, the CPM completion date October 3rd is the optimistic, with only four chances of the being met. Okay, and a more realistic target should be the around October 6 to 7. 6 to 7, you can see 6 to 7% for 60 to 80% chances probability to the completion. Then for the risk free deadline, that means the October 14 to 15 October is the safest, you can say, dates. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.